Right, my name's Midnight Phoenix 1, and today we're unboxing the Gear 4 docking station that one of my mates here picked up. Right guys, it's your turn to unbox it. You gotta say what's in it.
Do the honours.
If you can.
If you cannot.
Here we've got plugs.
Plugs,
So
sorry.
what plugs are for?
I think they're different adapters for what country you're in. What's that?
Yeah,
Power pack?
that's fine. So basically what you do is I think you stick it on top of there and you just plug it in.
What
So
you
that's
got there?
fine. Got a
Controller.
Yep.
nice.
You also got your
Instructions.
manual that no one really gives a shit about.
And there it is. The beast of all.
Get out of
Take it out the thing.
Yeah, move that out of the way.
There we are.
Set it all up and then play some music off it.
Yeah. Shit.
Oh, controller.
Just some random wire.
Pull this tab. Why?
Out
Where's
for
the battery, mate? There it is. The Gear 4 docking station. Right, if these guys can quickly set it up and get like a little taste of what it's about.
Oh, what's this thing do?
That's the aerial.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, glad you're sure. I'm not.
Yeah, I don't even know. What the fuck does this plug in?
What's this bit do?
I think that's supposed to be there, I don't put that. Oh, look, you got your buttons here.
This bit in. Right, let's get the manual out. This might help.
The manual's actually useful this time.
There's plugs in that there, mate.
Yeah, mate, it's there.
Oh, found it. Found it, guys.
So, maybe
This
maybe it
must
was
come out.
right. Yeah, it must do.
There we
Oh yes, okay. Maybe it wasn't putting past a bit.
And what the fuck is that? Box in. Oh, I got one of them at
Okay.
home.
You put it round.
Alright,
You pass me the plug.
now we're there.
Shit,
I've
that's
got to put
big.
this on.
Is there another wire to it?
Nah, it's only the aux, so basically, like, it's only an aux to it. What the fuck?
Right, that's a different. You got to just slide out, mate. I think. There's a button on it. There's a button. Is there a button? So just slide out. I don't break it. It's not mine. 2 minutes into it, I can't fucking figure out how to put the plug in.
Hey, stranger. No.
George just uses force. You got to push that down in there.
How the fuck are you meant to do that, mate?
I don't know, mate. It's something thin.
Right, now let's see.
Might have something in the manual.
Right, okay, volume, power, yep.
Volume, yeah, volume down.
Yep, remote control, yep. Number 2, I don't think it's
It's fucked, mate.
Well, you need something thin to stick in there to push the button out, which is pretty weird. If you ask me.
Something thin.
There we go. Use that and push the thing down. There we go.
There's the beast of.
When you plug in the English one,
Wrong
way
way.
round.
Yep, that's it.
What the fuck?
That's it.
the most hard thing about this. Oh, that's okay.
I'm such a retard.
Yes,
Right,
you see
now
if you're not
plug it in.
retarded. Right, let's plug it in. Move it out of the way. How hard is it to plug something in? Oh, it's one of those that goes fucking backwards. How many times can you swear in an unboxing video?
Oh, I've got to take my fucking keys off my phone.
Right, it's on. Push the power button.
Sheps.
Oh, it lights up. That's cool.
I think I just turn it off. Yeah.
It says iPod on the front of it. I pooed.
Thank you.
There you
Well, I've
go.
actually got my iPhone, so.
Yeah, iPhone. Then you just plug it in and play, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just wait for it. Do you want to put that in? What?
Play.
You got what I want, baby. You
So, yeah, that's very loud.
Oh, do it as loud as it can go, just for like a second.
Straight off the streets of motherfucking Compton. It's the downest nigga I know.
Fucking hell. I was gonna come punch in a minute. Right. Peace.